This is what grave digging is about, right? Community members coming together and helping out, right?
Yeah.
Who can dig grave, who can cook, who can drink rum. They don't know, so most people
When me come at them place,
come
I
just
7
see
or
food.
8 cup of soup and 3 plate of food.
Ready. See good old white rice I see them here. At the Arnold this now, see it there? At the Arnold in another one here. Look on them color rice here. You see that? Can't talk now. Yeah man. Son brethren, you know. Bubble, you know. Real man, you know, me come here, you know. No itching, you know. Just a play me part, you know. From me come here from morning, me no stop work, you know. Son of my brethren. Enough time when we to pull out to work together, me I tell you, say, oh, every day, when you now work, them man, they do me yard, Papsi, Barber, Son, Breeder, everybody. Sometimes we there in the yard, me can girl come give them tea where me yard, a little bit in the veggie.
So them do it in the countryside, you know. Grave digging, all community coming together and play them part. Who can save son, who can grave. Oh, them man up now check in the kitchen. You can see what go on.
You don't know, you know, man, we have a virgin Kogan thing, you know. And we there sort out the thing the real and proper way for the dog. Up front. So you see, at the soap at this. Yeah, you don't know. Real dog. A G. Yeah. So we are going in idea, yeah, you know? Yeah, up and run. Yeah. So we have the fried chicken, yeah? Ready. Kicking. Yeah. Moving, we are move. You must think a ramping thing with the pan today. Look on them color rice, yeah. You see that? Alright, that's how we are dealing with the thing, you see? And a joking thing we are dealing with the dog thing. Official. Yeah? That a go on. Yeah. See good old white rice I see them here? Yeah. Yeah. And this is this stew chicken. Ah. No. At the Arnold this now. See it there? At the Arnold in another one here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So we are going in idea, yeah. We are kick our virgin thing. Yeah. Yeah. R.I.P. to our virgin Kogan. Real boss. Yeah.
Yeah, man, watch it. Chicken pot there for bubble down. Yeah. How much for your peanut them? $2 sweet? Okay, you know what? Give man and give me one day.
Yeah, man, bless up to my good friend. Pass away without saying a word to me, but I come to support him thing and just I go and not even enjoy myself, do what we have to do and just I drink a little soup and that is it.
Since you've been gone, I've been going crazy. Over you. Over you. Girl.
You got a TV again, Adventure TVs.
Yeah, man, big up his TV and Adventure TV. Well play for you.
Yeah,
Been to the morning till the park.
that's crazy.
When me come at them place, I 7 or 8 cup of soup and 3 plate of food.
Yeah, yes, a 7.
A 4 quarter rum.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, normal youth. You see me?
Yeah.
You don't sleep at night time. It's a deadly youth. Me said that vlog yeah important because me in it. So you can't afford to mess it up. And don't go too far because stay close. Say 3 cup of soup me gone already. Remember 7 me a drink. So stay close.
Give it a wheel around. And maybe next time we'll get fresh guy from there.
Yes, sir? Yeah.
Yeah.
Eric, me have a drink the rum if you have a vibe.
You're not 30 again. You're not 30 again.
No, 32.
Alright.
Keep me, yes, have a drink from for catch vibes.
Yeah, we get me right
watch
on
ya.
the shy.
John, no.
Drink rum, more time.
But then I finish, you know, we have a vibe. You know, so I didn't want him like that.
Yeah.
Me there, so chimple.
Yeah.
I'm so style, what?
Food. A 7 plate more. No, a 7 plate of soup, me drink.
7 plate of soup.
Yeah. And then 7 cup.
Watch it now, we are up on the food now.
Yeah, car.
I didn't think we go out into the offer.
Food.
You want some? Yo, big up Martel Adventures TV. One go. Yeah. And in our village with them. Yeah.
And big up, go with them, see how we are.
Chicken up in this.
Go not tell me about Mario.
Water.
You want a water?
She's out there waiting for me. She broke my heart last night. I know she want to make it up with me.
Yeah, man, I make cock parties, man. I big up the Marshall Avenger TV, you know. You don't know, you know, one TV in the world, you know. You don't know, yeah, man, a cock party, so, you know, big up yourself, the general. Manners and respect to all who turn up, you know. Yeah, man.
I'll get another pot, man, eh? Fish. Swim away, bad man. Runs to swim away. That are for people in the eat. Meat pieces. Yeah, yeah, we need to get something, yes, man.
Sometime done.
Yeah. See it, guys. Colorful in season, there, so. Good old fire stick.
Yo, show us something in the face. No, wait,
Mala, you do the rice, eh? The yellow rice, yeah.
Yeah, man, our rice.
Or other the yellow rice.
Only thing is short or something.
Yeah, but still. There, because I don't want to catch piece, man, the yellow rice, yeah.
Anything I take up candy, I need that.
check out both the car. And then next rest down there. And next rest down there. Oh, I'm busy. You can't come and say no. Yes, you're a black marina. I can get one. You okay?
Alright. Yeah, no, that's fine, that's fine.
Look at this, guys. Whole heap of food.
If anybody ever call me for the last.
Some pork? Yeah. With the fish? I first plate this.
Lift it up, man. I see it. Yeah.
4 more to go.
So as I said, guys, this is what grave digging is about, right? Everybody come together, put in them ones and twos. Actually, food is going to share. People will have vibes. So
Big up man for the curry rice and peas and chicken, not straight bubble, straight son thing, If I never turn moon there, so, straight family for life. Them man, they are my friend, my brother, my son, everything. Can't change.
One son, no.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bless. Love son.
I go about the second one.
You can manage it?
You know, see that plate that done.
Yeah.
Next one, I go about,
Alright.
We are general now, 7 now.
Patrick, you know if you got one more, believe me, I give you 15 bills. If you eat one more.
Stay tuned. I'll see me go one.
Alright. What you say?
When you're nice, that's how you go on.
Look at it. Chicken lettuce, and a pork this, a brown stew chicken this stuff, right? Yeah, man, what as I say, this is what grave diggings is about, right? Community members coming together and helping out, right? Who can dig grave, who can cook, who can drink rum. You don't know, so most people come just for food. Food bad, First, me I eat yellow rice. Marlon, yes, I make yellow rice. No, I have yes, a KFC not get recipe. Yellow rice bad. That's watch out. No, can't tell them. You come up Portland, alright? But as me I say, watch out, guys. Great yellow rice. Bad. So you now give him secret ingredient now. Yeah, man, we just have to wait for it, but people them still just collect food. Now go and consume my one, Yeah, man, some yellow rice. Okay, I don't know, say, them have rice and peas still, but rice and peas are everyday thing. So I don't know how the yellow rice tastes, but I tell you, say, it's bad. So I have some yellow rice, some stew chicken, and I have some fried chicken. But, yeah, man, so just consume this and go on with the vibes, because the grave done still, but you don't know if people there. I will adjust, I just show you how a Jamaican grave digging thing go.